Hello everyone. So in this lecture, let's try to understand the important building blocks of IoT. So one of the important component of IoT is sensor and the other one is actuator. So whereas the sensor basically sense the physical phenomena that are occurring around them, and actuator basically based on the sensed information. So that means they perform some actions on the physical environment. So they take some actions or decisions based on what has been sensed. So this picture represents an equation of IoT. So physical object plus your hardware. So hardware is nothing but here controller, microcontroller or processor, sensor along with actuator plus internet is equal to Internet of Things. So IoT sensors and actuators play major role in any IoT system or any real-time applications. So without sensors and actuator, there is no IoT. So when we talk about sensing, we need to understand what is sensing. So basically sensor, it detects or senses the changes in the ambient condition, or it can also sense the state of another device or a system and transfer or forward the information in a certain manner. And a better term for a sensor is a transducer. So transducer is any physical device that converts one form of energy into another form of energy. So basically sensor is an electronic instrument that is able to measure the physical quantity and generate a considerable output. So these output of the sensor are usually in the form of electrical signal, and also they are directly interacting with the environmental. So there are various type of sensor such as position, temperature, pressure, speed sensor, but fundamentally based on output, sensors can be classified as analog or digital. And in the analog sensor, it will give continuous analog output. So for example, the temperature sensor, continuously the changes in the temperature are going to be sensed, measured, and output is going to be an analog signal. The digital sensor basically gives digital outputs, for example on and off, 0 or 1, and discrete digital values are given as output by these digital sensors. So digital sensor is incorporated with ADC, that is analog to digital converter, while analog sensor does not have any ADC, that is any analog to digital converters. So another type of transducer used in many IoT system is an actuator. In simple term, actuator is a component of a machine or system that moves or controls the mechanism or the system. So actuator operates in the reverse direction of sensor. An actuator is a device that alters the physical quantity, as it can cause a mechanical component to move after getting some input from the sensor. So actuator is a mechanism by which a control system acts upon an environment, and also it requires a control signal and source of energy. So in other words, it receives control input, that is signal, generally in the form of electrical signal, and generate a change in the physical system through producing force, heat, motion, and etc. So in brief, a sensor transform interesting useful energy into electrical data signal. By contrast, an actuator transform electrical data into interesting and useful energy. For example, our smartphone are full of transducers. The camera and microphone are sensor, whereas speaker and screens are actuators. So here camera, the light is converted into electrical signal, and the microphone are sensors Microphone is a sensor that takes vibrational energy and converts into electrical energy. Similarly, in speaker, the electrical signal converted into sound, and similarly in screen, electrical signal is converted into light. So let's summarize the differences between sensors and actuator. So sensor is a device that changes a physical parameter to an electrical output, as against an actuator is a device that converts electrical signal to a physical output, and it is placed at the input port to take the input, whereas an actuator is placed at the output port. And sensor generates electrical signals while an actuator results in the production of energy in the form of heat or motion, and these are the examples of sensors and actuator. So this diagram represents sensor to actuator flow. In a typical IoT system, a sensor may collect information and transfer to, that is, route to a control center where a decision is made, and a corresponding command is sent back to an actuator in response to that sensed input. So based on the readings of the sensor, some action might be required to be taken, and that is done by the actuator. Here the temperature sensor detects heat and send this information to the control center where a decision is made, and the control center send command to sprinkler. So based on the sensed information, it will be either turned on or turned off. I hope you understand the difference between sensor and actuator. Thank you for watching.